If you want to book a ride in Uber app, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go ahead and open up your Uber, right? And click where to, right? And basically, they will add your address automatically and select your destination, which is your option. And if you want to select for me, meaning that this ride is for you or for someone else, you can just go ahead and change it by adding a new contact. And here you're gonna see pick up now, or if you want to reserve for basically for later time, like maybe 1 p.m. or 3 hours afterward, you want to make sure that you have your ride at that time, then you can do that by selecting later. All right, so in my case, I'm gonna select the King Khalid International Airport, right? And I'm gonna select my popular airlines. If you want to skip that, you can do that. In my case, if you want to skip that step, you can be my guest. And in my case, I'm gonna select the Qatar Airways, for example, and I'm gonna select the type of ride, right? And the comfort fit for 4 people. Okay, I can use Uber XL, which can manage 6 people, or Uber X Saver, which manages 3 people, and the Uber X, which can fit for more 4 people, right? You guys see the popular right here, the black, which fits 4 people, and the Uber X Priority, which fits 4 people, and it says right here, faster pickup, right? So if you care more about comfort and have, you can get there at the time, like you're not worried about getting there on time, you can select the comfort, right? And you can select the payment method before you click choose comfort, right? You can pay with cash or Apple Pay, or add payment method like PayPal or credit or debit card. If you have a voucher code, go ahead and add voucher code to get a discount. Okay, close, and then click choose comfort, and you're gonna wait and sit or continue doing your work while your ride comes to your address. And if they came to your address, they will call you and you can answer, and you or your 4 friends or 3 friends or you basically can go to catch your flight. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.